It appears that I've successfully managed to insert both ribbon cables in there. Now, the only way I could do that was by actually removing the D-pad button ribbon cable, and an unidentified ribbon cable on the inside, which then allowed me to place the new display next to the Axim, inserting it in, and then basically folding it over using the metal casing that is being held in. After which, I gently pried them separate in order to insert a screwdriver to very slowly but very carefully reinsert that ribbon cable and the ribbon cable for the D-pad. Our assembly is now almost complete. The backing has to be reinserted, and the Axim reassembled. Well, time to find out if the patient has survived the operation.